Welcome, engineers! Today we're exploring a powerful tool for structural analysis, the Slenderness Ratio Interactive Calculator. This calculator solves a critical problem in column design by determining whether your structural members will fail through elastic buckling or material yielding, helping you optimize designs for safety and efficiency. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode dropdown with 5 options. Calculate slenderness ratio, calculate effective length, calculate radius of gyration, calculate Euler critical load, and column classification analysis. For this demonstration, we'll select calculate slenderness ratio. Next, we have effective length in millimeters or inches, followed by radius of gyration, also in millimeters or inches. The slenderness ratio field appears as dimensionless. You'll enter the actual length, then select your end condition from the dropdown. Pinned with k equals 1.0, fixed with k equals 0.5, fixed pinned with k equals 0.7, or fixed free with k equals 2.0. Finally, input your cross-sectional area in square millimeters or square inches, moment of inertia in millimeters to the fourth or inches to the fourth, elastic modulus in MPa or PSI, and yield strength in MPa or PSI. Let's work through an example. For a steel column with effective length of 3,000 millimeters, radius of gyration of 50 millimeters, we'll calculate the slenderness ratio. After clicking Calculate, the results show a slenderness ratio of 60 and confirm our effective length. These outputs tell you whether your column is short, intermediate, or long, critical for selecting the appropriate failure analysis method. Remember, many engineers forget to account for the correct K factor when calculating effective length, leading to dangerous underdesign. Find the link in the description below.